Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we bring you our weekly market analysis for March 24th to 28th, 2025, covering Ethereum, the DXY, UsOil, and the Us30. Our focus remains on interpreting cyclical tendencies within mass pressure data alongside key economic events of the week to guide potential trading strategies. Let's start with Ethereum. Our fundamental outlook this week is influenced by broader market sentiment and the initial economic data releases. Analyzing the mass pressure data for Ethereum for the week of March 23rd to 29th, 2025, the overall cyclical tendency indicated by the mass pressure data suggests a bullish bias for Ethereum across the trading week, Monday to Friday. While Sunday shows a downward trend, Monday experiences a significant drop before recovering strongly on Tuesday with a clear upward momentum that continues through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, reaching the highest levels of the week. Expect potential initial volatility following the release of the French and German flash manufacturing and services PMI data on Monday morning in Europe, but the overall mass pressure tendency favors sustained upward momentum for Ethereum throughout the rest of the week. Moving next to the DXY, US dollar index. Our fundamental perspective this week remains neutral to slightly dollar weak. Examining the mass pressure data for the DXY for the week of March 23rd to 29th, 2025, the overall cyclical tendency suggested by the mass pressure data points to a neutral to slightly bullish bias, with higher pressure observed in the early part of the week. The DXY generally shows relatively stable movement with a slight upward trend on Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by a decline on Thursday. Expect potential volatility around the USCB consumer confidence and new home sales data on Tuesday. Now, let's move on to UsOil. Our fundamental outlook this week is neutral to slightly bearish. Reviewing the mass pressure data for UsOil for the week of March 23rd to 29th, 2025, the overall cyclical tendency indicated by the mass pressure data suggests a neutral to slightly bullish bias, with a relatively stable trading environment similar to DXY. UsOil generally shows relatively stable movement with a slight upward trend on Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by a decline on Thursday. Expect potential volatility around the USCB consumer confidence and new home sales data on Tuesday. Finally, examining Us30, Dow Jones. Our fundamental perspective this week remains cautiously optimistic. Looking at the mass pressure data for the Us30 for the week of March 23rd to 29th, 2025, the overall cyclical tendency indicated by the mass pressure data suggests a neutral to bullish bias with significant intraday volatility expected, particularly on Monday and Tuesday. We see strong upward spikes in mass pressure on Monday and Tuesday, followed by fluctuations throughout the week. Expect potentially volatile two-sided price action around the release of the German IFO business climate on Tuesday, and the USCB consumer confidence and new home sales data also on Tuesday. Remember, market analysis is probabilistic, not predictive. Potential cyclical tendencies, assessed with mass pressure data, provide directional guidance, but markets remain dynamic and sensitive to economic news. Use this analysis alongside key technical levels for potential entry and exit strategies. Always align with your personal analysis and risk management plan. To summarize our weekly outlook for March 24th to 28th, 2025. Ethereum, bullish, potential sustained upward momentum expected. DXY, neutral to slightly bullish, watch for volatility around US data on Tuesday. UsOil, neutral to slightly bullish, expect stable movement with potential Tuesday volatility. Us30, neutral to bullish, expect significant intraday volatility, especially on Monday and Tuesday. If you found this analysis valuable, show your support with a like and share. Join the discussion in the comments, and subscribe with the bell on for weekly updates. For more insights and potential updates throughout the week, be sure to join our Telegram group. The link is conveniently located in the description below. Stay ahead of the markets, join our community today. Thanks for watching, and trade profitably.